Hi everyone, happy Earth Day. Today, in honor of Earth Day and Earth Month, I am going to demonstrate a sustainable beauty look for you guys, including a really cute side fishtail braid and full makeup using my favorite makeup company, Elate Cosmetics. When I am looking for sustainable brands to work with, I like to dig deep and see if they're only using it as a buzzword or if they are truly taking their sustainable practices seriously. And I have to say that Davines and Elate Cosmetics 100% are doing this. Davines is already a certified B Corp company. If you're wondering what B Corp is, I highly recommend Googling it. It's really cool what companies are doing that have gotten this certification. And Elate Cosmetics is on their way to getting this certification currently. So I'm especially proud of everything that Elate Cosmetics has accomplished because I have been a part of their team from the beginning. I have done the hair for most of the collections, and Melody, the founder, is a close friend of mine, and she is a wonderful human being. I also do hair for almost all of the Elate team, and I have to say that all of those women are absolutely incredible, and their investment in the company is truly inspiring. Hopefully you guys enjoy and get a few tips on how to have a more sustainable beauty routine. Here we go.